What was the first order that you got from abroad, and how did you get that order?
It is like we are selected for Amazon Propel.
Okay.
We are one of the brand who was going to be supported by Amazon USA team, where we are going to be pushed by them. So it is quite easy for us then to start Amazon USA. And the first order come itself at Hexor website only, and it is by a customer. She wants bedridden patient clothing.
Okay.
The only challenge was she want that thing her son like she ordered on I guess 25th of this February, and her son's surgery was on 4th of next month. So we have only 10 days in hand, and inventory is here in India, Delhi. So but I checked, it was taking 11 days to get it delivered. So the challenge for me for that first order was from basically first order from abroad to deliver it in 7 days. So how it started, then we took it ki whenever somebody is ordering adaptive or these kind of clothing, they want it immediately. So we started putting stock across the countries.
Oh, that's fabulous. Then I mean, we can wherever people are, they can just purchase and they'll quickly get delivered. So that's nice. How many SKUs you have right now? Like how many different types of patterns, or it is customized? How do you do it?
Customized we are supplying only in India as of now, and that standard size we are good with like 350 SKU.
How much have you scaled? When did you launch? And what is the growth in this new business altogether? Basically, because this is new to India, new to the world altogether. Then what is the numbers that you can, somebody can look into if they look at this business?
Like as we have launched this 26th of January 2025, and we are
Very
picking
new.
up pretty well, very very new, but still we are able to do a sale of 16 lakh.
Wow, that's credible. Is this the first year, not even 3 months over, and then you have been, scaling businesses very easily?